Hello everyone! Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to write an essay about my favorite holiday for elementary students. In this video, I will guide you step by step, paragraph by paragraph, and even sentence by sentence, so you clearly understand what to write and why you are writing it. I will read the full sample essay, but more importantly, I will explain how each part works so you can write your own version confidently. Let's start with the first paragraph, which is the introduction. In the introduction, you can tell the reader what your favorite holiday is and give simple reasons why you like it. You do not need to write too much. Just clearly introduce your topic and share your feelings. Here is the first paragraph of the sample. My favorite holiday is Christmas. It is a special day that I celebrate with my family every year. I love this holiday because it is full of joy, love, and happiness. Now let's break this down so you know what to write. The first sentence says, "My favorite holiday is Christmas." This sentence is very clear and direct. When you write your own essay, you can follow the same pattern. You can write, "My favorite holiday is Eid," or "My favorite holiday is New Year," or "My favorite holiday is Independence Day." Just clearly state your favorite holiday in the first sentence. The second sentence says, "It is a special day that I celebrate with my family every year." This sentence explains a little more. It tells who you celebrate with and that it happens every year. When you write your essay, you can explain why that holiday is special. Maybe you celebrate with your family, friends, or neighbors. Maybe you travel somewhere special. Add one simple detail. The third sentence says, "I love this holiday because it is full of joy, love, and happiness." This sentence gives reasons. The writer uses feeling words like joy, love, and happiness. For elementary students, using feeling words is very important. It helps the reader understand your emotions. Now let's move to the second paragraph. In the second paragraph, you describe what happens during the holiday. This is where you paint a picture in the reader's mind. Here is the paragraph. On Christmas morning, I wake up feeling very excited. We decorate our house with lights, a Christmas tree, and colorful ornaments. I enjoy helping my parents decorate the tree and place a bright star on top. It makes our home look beautiful and warm. Let's explain this carefully. The first sentence says, "On Christmas morning, I wake up feeling very excited." This sentence tells us when something happens and how the writer feels. You can copy this structure. For example, on Eid morning, I wake up early and feel very happy. Or, on New Year's Day, I wake up feeling excited. Always mention the time and your feeling. The second sentence says, "We decorate our house with lights, a Christmas tree, and colorful ornaments." This sentence describes actions and objects. The writer lists things. Lights, a Christmas tree, colorful ornaments. When you write your essay, think about what you see during your holiday. Maybe you see lanterns, fireworks, traditional clothes, special food, or flags. Add details so your paragraph is not too short. The third sentence says, "I enjoy helping my parents decorate the tree and place a bright star on top." This sentence shows participation. The writer is not just watching, the writer is helping. In your essay, write about what you do, not only what happens. Maybe you help cook, clean the house, visit relatives, or prepare food. The last sentence says, "It makes our home look beautiful and warm." This sentence explains the result. Because of the decorations, the home looks beautiful and warm. You can also explain the result in your essay. For example, "It makes our house look colorful and cheerful." Now let's look at the third paragraph. This paragraph focuses on family and activities. One of the best parts of Christmas is spending time with my family. We share a delicious meal together and talk about happy memories. Sometimes my cousins visit, and we play games and laugh a lot. I also love giving and receiving small gifts. It makes me happy to see others smile. Let's break it down. The first sentence says, "One of the best parts of Christmas is spending time with my family." This is a great way to introduce a main idea. You can say, "One of the best parts of Eid is visiting my grandparents," Or, one of the best parts of New Year is watching fireworks. The second sentence talks about sharing a delicious meal and talking about happy memories. This adds detail. Think about food during your holiday. Is there special cake? Traditional dishes? Snacks? Mention them in simple words. The third sentence says, sometimes my cousins visit, and we play games and laugh a lot. This shows fun activities. In your essay, you can describe games, conversations, or traditions. The fourth and fifth sentences talk about giving and receiving gifts and feeling happy when others smile. These sentences show emotions again. Remember, elementary essays should include feelings. Words like happy, excited, proud, thankful, and joyful are very useful. Now let's move to the fourth paragraph. Christmas is not only about gifts and decorations, it is also about love, kindness, and sharing. My parents teach me to be thankful for what I have and to help people who are in need. This paragraph talks about values and lessons. The first sentence explains that the holiday is not only about fun things. The second sentence tells us what it is really about: love, kindness, and sharing. This shows that the writer understands the deeper meaning of the holiday. The third sentence talks about what the parents teach. In your essay, you can write about lessons you learn. Maybe you learn to be grateful, respectful, or helpful. Teachers love reading essays that show good values. Now let's look at the conclusion. In conclusion, Christmas is my favorite holiday because it brings my family together and fills our hearts with joy. I always look forward to celebrating it every year. The phrase "in conclusion" shows that this is the last paragraph. For elementary students, it is okay to use simple conclusion phrases. The first sentence restates why Christmas is the favorite holiday. It talks about family and joy again. This reminds the reader of the main idea. The last sentence says, I always look forward to celebrating it every year. This shows excitement for the future. You can end your essay with a happy and hopeful sentence like this. Now, before we finish, let me give you ideas on how to elaborate each part so you do not get stuck using only this sample. For the introduction, you can add one more sentence explaining when the holiday happens, like in December or at the end of Ramadan. You can also mention why it is different from other holidays. For the second paragraph, you can describe sounds and smells. Do you hear music? Fireworks? Do you smell delicious food? Adding small sensory details makes your essay better. For the third paragraph, you can add a short story. Maybe something funny happened last year. Maybe you received a special gift or met a relative you had not seen for a long time. For the fourth paragraph, you can explain how the holiday makes you a better person. Maybe you donate toys, share food, or say sorry to someone. These details make your essay meaningful. For the conclusion, you can add one wish. For example, you can say, I hope I can celebrate this holiday with my family for many more years. This makes your ending warm and sweet. Remember, this sample is just a guide. You can change the holiday, the activities, and the details. The most important thing is to write clearly, use simple sentences, and include your feelings. I hope this explanation helps you understand how to write an essay about your favorite holiday step by step. Keep practicing, and do not be afraid to add your own ideas. Thank you so much for watching writing tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.